Hello guys, welcome back to Olympus Once, and it's been a long time that I'm uploading a video. So today we'll try to qualify this task. Is the second image totally unrelated to the first image or not? So I have not qualified it yet. I have completed the training task and I'm going to qualify in real time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so they are giving 2 attempts and 20 hits in each qualification attempt. Okay, so let's go to the qualification page. So first, what's the query? The knife sharpener. This is a knife. It's not a knife sharpener. And first is not image is not getting loaded. So it's not a it's somewhat related. So I'll go for second. Okay. Second is the chopping vegetables. Yeah, your first image is totally related, but the second image is not related. So it's totally unrelated. Okay, so go to the totally unrelated tab. That's first. Submit. Ice cream clip art. Yeah, it is. It is the clip art of ice cream. But what is the second image? It's not getting loaded. But I hope it will be totally unrelated. So I got the first. The first image is not getting loaded. Image not found. FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 logo. But the second image is not related. So go for the first one. It is totally unrelated. Biker jackets for man. Yeah, first is totally related. Second is not related. It's not a jacket, it's a tattoo. Right? So go for the first one. It's totally unrelated. What's the query? Car engines. So this is not a car, it's not an engine. So go for the first one. That's totally unrelated. Okay, and I'm character tattoo. So it is the first is completely related. So that is totally related. But what about the second? It's not. I'll try and open this in the second page. Load image. Yeah. It's not getting loaded, so I'll go for image did not load. Uh, this one is the query. The healthy breakfast dishes. Yes, this is absolutely healthy. This is not a breakfast, so go for the totally related tab. Medieval art and building wall. Yes, this one is. It is the medieval art and building wall. For the second image, it's not opening. I'll go for this first, totally unrelated. First image, it's not getting loaded. For the second one, yeah, it is the was great. Parker with a jacket man. It's not a jacket. So absolutely I'll go for this. Totally unrelated. What about this? It is the Japan flag. It is a Japan flag. This is not a flag. But it's asked about Japan. So it's given this Japan map. So I'll select this one. It's somewhat related because there's a word Japan. So this is saying Japan map. This one is saying also Japan uh, flag. Okay. So for this. Smart watches. Yeah, it is a smartwatch. Okay, so person, I will go for this. Somewhat related because the person who's wearing a watch may be smart, may not be. No, I'll go for this. Totally unrelated because what's the main picture is this is the man, not a watch. Okay, the foldable chair. Yeah, it folds. It's not a chair, right? So totally related. Uh, the Oreo ice cream cones. So this is Oreo ice cream. It's not a cone. I will go for this. Not. Uh, it is somewhat related. Okay. First image. Yeah. What is the query? Black with a jacket for man. So it's not a jacket. So it's totally unrelated. Baseball cartoon. So first, second, no relation. Totally unrelated. What about this long coat man? Yeah. So you can say this. It's not a code, but it's somewhat related. Yeah. 2022 calendar printable. Yeah, so that is related, totally related. New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, this one is the building. Yes, stock marketing, investing, somewhat related. Yeah, it's the book about the stock market. A knife sharpener. Again, this is not a knife sharpener. Second is not related. It's totally unrelated.